The Midland MXPW115 is a full-featured turnkey solution for the operation and protection of the Midland MXT15 radio. Waterproof and dustproof when closed, this rugged system houses the Midland radio, microphone, and antenna, providing a grab-and-go solution for emergencies or events, as well as an ideal solution for a base station or vehicle use. The lightweight battery is a 50 watt-hour LiFePO4 with a lifespan of over 2,000 charges. The internal charge controller will accept the included AC adapter or any 12-volt solar panel up to 60 watts. Integrated voltmeter and ammeter so you can monitor power usage. USB and power poles for charging or powering accessories. External headphone jack for noisy environments or privacy. Speaker defeat switch for silent operation. Installing or removing the radio takes about a minute and requires no tools. If you value wireless communication without relying on the grid or cell towers, the American-made MXPW115 delivers.